Alright, another nifty thrifty girl video for you is this video that showcases a vintage white model 1466. This is just a chunky workhorse. I mean, you can just tell by looking at it that it weighs a ton. It's like 40 pounds. It is a basic straight zigzag machine. There's no fancy patterns, there's no cams. It has an automatic button holder, it has adjustable stitch width, stitch length, and a 3-level feed dog. Nothing fancy. It's two-tone green. It shares the same dimensions with Singer's, so it will fit in the common Singer cabinet or carrying case. It's very, very nice cosmetic condition. All metal 1.3 amp, which is the typical classic vintage white. Almost all of them have the 1.3 amp motor. And it does work. I mean, it works. I'm going to show you that here in a minute. It is a low shank machine, class 15 bobbins, 15x1 needles, very standard bobbins and needles, bought online, and you can buy them anywhere, even Walmart. So nothing expensive or rare needed to maintain or use this machine. It includes a box of goodies, which includes all kinds of feet, oiler bottle, ruffler, all kinds of goodies in there. And it also includes the original instruction manual. Very cool. Creative embroidery is possible because your stitch width is spring-loaded. And creative embroidery is where you create kind of fancy designs as you sew. Your reverse buttons here, this is your zigzag lock. Because it's spring-loaded, you put it over into zigzag and you push this, and you can hear it, it locks in place. And when you want it back to straight stitch, you just push that, and it goes back to straight. Bobbin winder here on the wheel, of course. Here's your 3-level feed dog adjustment. Pretty straight, standard, simple machine. I want to run through some things. Now, one thing that is not, well, it's not broke, it's just not normal. There's normally a button that sticks out right here to push and turn on your light. That button was broke off. I do not have another mechanism to fix it, so to turn on your light, you just open your nose piece and push the button from in here. I mean, see, it's just simple. Little switch, close your nose piece. No big deal. It just doesn't pop through here because the little button broke off. Beautiful machine. No major paint damage, paint wear along the edges. It's very, very nice. Very, very nice machine. I'll move it back a little here so you can see me sewing. Get it in place. Alrighty, we'll start with just a regular 2-layer sample and go from there. Very quiet. It's a left homing machine. Stitch width is not adjustable. I mean, needle position, I'm sorry. Needle position is not adjustable. Smooth zigzag. And now, of course, I get a phone call. And very, very nice. Go through some 6 layers of denim. Oh, pressure foot came off. 6 layers of denim. No problem whatsoever. Smooth and beautiful. Nice. 14 layers of, not sure what type of fabric, kind of chintzy. 14 layers. I'm using a size 16 needle right through. Beautiful. And last but not least, on this white is 3 layers of very nice weighted leather also. Garment leather. It's going to go through very nicely. Of course, if you're going to consistently work with leather, you're going to want a walking foot or an even feed foot, and it just takes the work and the friction off the feed dogs, and it feeds the leather or vinyl through much smoother. As you can see, that's very nice. Very nice. And that is your 1.3 amp vintage white model 1466.